Obviously, you this has to be sustainable. But how do you guys make ends meet? What is the business model that you see here in order to sustain? Kasi this has a lot of investments needed, and hindi pwedeng puro out of pocket lang lagi.
Yun na nga eh. Well, it was out of pocket for a very long time because iniisip pa namin how we would want it to be profitable. And we found out that at the beginning of like 2025,
Right.
we knew what we wanted. And at first, we were looking for funding for the government. And we know how tedious could that be and how long could that be. And
Wala na kayo ng tulay sa Bulacan. Ganon.
yung ganon, talagang iisipin mo, di ba, magkano ba ang pondo ng gobyerno sa edukasyon ng Pilipinas? Marami, trilyon.
Yeah, pero
Walang lumalabas talaga.
Pa ganon.
Yeah. So parang at the time we want to be the conduit and the solution. So we keep on like trying our best to form relationship with the government so we can execute for them as an institution na who's ready really to work for the solutions because we already have the solution. We only just need funding. And then we thought that, if waiting for the government could take time, we need another arm that's actually going to fund our team. Even just our team, not us.
How big is the team, if you don't mind me asking?
Edi, dami na siya.
Ang dami. Ayan.
Ilan na ba? 20.
Guesstimate.
Guesstimate siguro mga 26, 25,
Okay.
20 ba?
And you're all over the world.
We're all over the world.
Grabe.
Yes.
Sinong puyat? Ikaw.
Ako. True enough. So that second arm is to actually just operate the Philippine structure or yung ginagawa naming relationship with the institution or HEI, what you call it, higher education institutions.
Yeah.
So, ang naisip ko, okay, then why not our product can be sold individually to universities, whether it be private or public. So, this product is an internship management platform. So, at the time, nung panahon natin, wala pa tayong ganun. Kasi mga coordinator, bumibisita lang ata yun sa intern mo. Diba? This one is something that, it's a system na yung, for example, USC, they wanna be in this system. They wanna subscribe. They will tell us this number of students, ganyan. Tapos tier mode din siya. May starter, may plus, may pro. And then, they will give us a list of students na mag-i-intern and kami na bahala. Lalagay namin yung load nung employer nila, yung student nila, and the feedback will always be in that internship platform, even the hours, feedback from the employer. And then in the end, it will be a report that parang mapapakita nila sa CHED for reporting purposes. Because we really want to align with solving the talents of Philippines. Kasi parang kailangan maging aligned dun eh.
Ang dami. Sobrang dami. So, that's what I want to find out. Because I've been working with interns for what?
Yeah.
So, carbon date me, but I don't care. Mga iho at iha. Okay. For past what? 16 years? Oh my God, it's been a long time. So, I've seen waves and waves and waves of them. But the vast majority of them, there's a big chasm kasi hilaw pa talaga, blank slate.
Yeah.
So what you typically look for an intern are not hard skills. Bonus if they have soft skills. But what we really look for are interns that have high agency. Agency meaning, okay, I'm gonna define high agency for those people chat GPT pa dyan o nag-search. For those people who are listening, you don't have to look it up. So high agency are people that have the obviously the initiative
To do something else.
and bias for action. Na hindi lang ano pong gagawin po. Diba? So, dude, just fucking figure it out. You're an intern, you're here to contribute.
Yeah.
Right? Hindi yung tatanungin mo pa ano yung papagawa. Or if it's unclear, just make yourself useful. Right? Second, very, very big bonus. People, and this is not just applies to interns, people that have the ability to learn on their own.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, the whole country has been taught to be spoon-feed by the by
Yes.
teachers. So paglabas niyan, whenever they go to a to a company, they're used to somebody feeding them shit. When in reality, if you're gonna work for a startup or a company,
You
you're
have to
there
figure
to
it on. Yeah.
figure it out. GMG, di ba?
Google mo, girl.
Di ba? Or chat GPT mo, girl.
Yeah.
Because you need to learn how to be able to fix those
Yeah.
goals and contribute to take
Yeah.
action. And third, be consistent.
Yeah.
Right? Na you have to be a
Awesome.
dependable, consistent that day in, day out. I don't care what it would take.
Yeah.
May internet ka ba? Wala. Gawan mo ng paraan.
Yeah.
Those are the ones that I typically look for. Now,
Yeah.
unfortunately, that's a dime a dozen. So that's what I want to know. Because considering na ang dami ang intern, but majority naman is they vary in agency.
Yeah, they want to feed. Yeah. Yeah.
How do you make sure that those people that will eventually spend time with them doesn't feel like, what the hell did I just get? Sakit ng ulo na naman to. Right? Or those people who are really meant to contribute on day one.
Okay, so kasi daming arm ng OJT Connect as a system. Yung una pa lang yung internship management platform, that's nothing that we can control of kasi that's university paying for their seat para i-manage yung internship journey nila.
Yeah.
But we do have an arm, what you just mentioning is para siyang LinkedIn jobs or jobs whatever. So what we do right now, we're testing something. It's called we're white glove, it's a white glove service, right? So we're the ones who's interviewing them first before.
That's a lot of work.
That's a
Good luck. Kaya ka lang puyat, Casey.
But that's another arm, and that's
Yeah.
not the internship management platform. So that's another product.
Got it.
Yan. Pero ang hirap nun kasi susuyurin mo yung interview
And
with the
even
student.
may mga bata rin ang galing sa interview pagdating.
Pagdating
nga.
gano'n. Yeah.
Nako
So,
pa. And not just this bata, kahit matatanda.
Yes.
Ang galing sa interview.
Yes.
Pagdating dito, what the fuck did I just get? Where's the guy that I just interviewed?
it's by luck talaga.
Okay. So, no, it's hard. And that's what we want to make sure na that's siguro down the road when I try to help, di ba, co-founders tayo. When I start doing my art type of the stuff, is that I really want to make it salang-sala. Because the last thing you want to do is to give an intern or
Who does not
to a
do the
startup
lift. Yeah.
na imbis na makatulong,
Parang
naging
heavy
sakit pa ng
burden
ulo.
pa. Yeah.
Diba? So, dapat talagang
Yeah.
filtering,
Yeah.
yung susuyurin natin,
Yun try,
pinag-post nito sa TikTok. Okay? Kung nagtutwerk to, bakit? Okay.
Bakit ganyan ang mga
Bakit
post?
nagtutwerk? Okay, ba't may oras ka mag-twerk? Okay?
Tapos sa ano mo pa, sa set mo pa,
O, diba?
sa likod.
What the fuck? Right, no, just kidding. There's nothing wrong with
Yeah.
twerking, but if you're able to hustle with twerking per se, you know what I mean? This shows the priority. But those are the things I want to
Yeah.
read out. And that's why I admire you for doing what you do.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ito madali. But I want to understand. This is not easy. How close were you from and how often does this happen? And every founder goes through this.
Yeah.
Where you're just going what the fuck am I doing? Is this still even worth it? And how do you gaslight yourself to keep going? Because it really has to be gaslit. You have to gaslight yourself. Okay.
Ang hirap. Oh my God. Even just managing your time, but also imagine we're developing a product while operating. So that's another ball game, But
Yep.
I guess it's really the trust on people. We're very lucky on the internship that we got from Cagayan de Oro, right? CDO, and a lot of I think Quezon provinces. Because ang focus talaga ng internship namin remote. And to give opportunities to the remote people which is underserved
Correct.
communities. Kasi wala talagang, ang dami sa Metro Manila, I know, but marami rin outside na nandun yung passion nila. And we were so lucky to get these interns that help because nakikita mo yung product nila, ang galing. Anyway, so I don't know. I don't have a word for it, but hands down to my team, really hands down to them, the interns, because they're providing full-time employee level of work.